Hey guys, it's me, Meli-Mel. I'm back with another hair video. So this video, I will be reviewing some hair I got from Amazon once again. I haven't opened it or anything like that, so I'm going to open it up on camera and then show you guys how it looks, where it's from, and just give you all the deets like I usually do. So this is where I got it. It's the package. I'm not going to show you my address, but this is the package. I'm just gonna open it up right now. I was gonna take a sneak peek yesterday, but I was like, you know what? Let me try to open it on camera instead, because I really want to see how it looks. Alright, so open it up. And this is how the packaging looks. Just like this. So it's called Amy Girl. So the hair is from Amy Girl, and the package are just like this. And this is for the hair care instructions. When cleaning hair extensions, use warm water and just other stuff like that. So they didn't come with any card or anything like that, but I'll go back on Instagram and see where I can find it at. Not Instagram, Amazon, and see where I can find her information. But the company's name is Amy Girl, and it's the 5-piece 20-inch Remy. It's 100 grams. And it's in the ombre color. So it goes from like 1B and then it goes lighter towards the bottom part. So the clip-ins are going to be 20 inches. So they'll look just like this. Normal factory smell. Barely any shedding. So I'm just gonna... I ordered 2 packets because I didn't think that... Because only in one, there's only 5 pieces. So I ordered 2 just to give a kind of fuller look to my head. Yeah, so I'm definitely going to try to install it and see how it looks today. So, well, yeah, this is it. I'm going to leave all the information down below in the description box. So you guys know where I got this hair from, what company, the hair deets. It feels really good. It's some nice hair. So once again, these are clip-ins. And I'm not a big fan of clip-ins anymore, so I'm probably going to listen to my hairstylist. Okay, Claire, yes, I'm going to listen to you. And I'm probably going to take out these clips. And what she told me to do was take strands of pieces from my hair and then put rubber bands on it. And then just go ahead and sew the weave to my hair like that instead of using the clip-ins. Because they're metal, and metal is really, really bad for your hair. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to use 1 packet right now just to show you guys how it looks with my hair and how it blends in. And then later on in the future, I'll probably use all of them. But these are the clip-ins. So once again, there's 5 pieces. I'm just going to separate these right now. And then a little cute one right there. Alright, so I'm just definitely going to install it right now. So I'm just going to show you guys how it looks installed. Once again, I'm only using one packet, not 2. Because I ordered 2. So I'm just going to use 1 right now. So I'm going to take this down. And this is just going to be a short, quick video. And show you guys how it looks. So this is how my hair looks after it's been... I went to the salon the other day. And... this is how it looks. So it still has its body and everything like that. I still have it's still straight. It's just wavy because how I've been sleeping on it. I've been wrapping it every night, but I do have I need advice. So I've been wrapping it every single night, but when I wake up, my scarf and everything falls off. It's like it doesn't stay tight because I use a do-rag and then I put like a bonnet on and then I put another bonnet on. So drop down in the comments what I should do so it'll be able to stay like on my head, because wrapping your hair at night is really, really good for your hair. And I don't want it to come off, and I don't know what else to do for my hair cap to not come off and mess up my hair in the morning. So if you have any advice, anything, any information on what I can do to make the wrap stay better when I wrap it at night, please let me know. So yeah, so let's just get to this video. So right now I'm just gonna part the back of my hair. And I'm just gonna clip or so for the back of my hair, I'm just gonna use the, should I use a 3 clip-in or 2 clip-in? I'm gonna use a 3 clip-in for the back of my hair right now. Once again, these are not going to be staying in my head. I'm definitely going to take out the clips and do that trick that she told me about the rubber bands and sewing it, because I'm trying to get my hair to grow, trying to get it nice and thick and healthy. So I'm definitely going to listen to you, Claire. So just going to... Okay, so that's how it looks right now. And just basically just gonna work my way up towards it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn back around and show you guys how I do it again. So the parts are not going to be perfect because I'm basically not trying. This is just like a test run on the hair and how I like it and reviewing it. So I'm not going to do the parts perfect or anything like that. So I might have to open up the other pack. So I might have to open up the other pack because 5 pieces are not going to be working with me at all. Then again, I might not have to use all of it, but me being extra, I like a fuller look. You're gonna hear my son in the background crying right now because he wants me to change the channel on the PJ Masks, but he knows exactly how to do it. Like, he knows how to change the channel, but he wants me to do it for him because he wants me to stop what I'm doing so I can go help him. So, mom life. Alright, so I'm just going to use 1 pack of hair today. Am I going to use all of it? But this is how the hair looks right now. It's a little bit flat on top, so that's why I kind of want to add the second pack. But I'm not gonna go anywhere today besides work. So once again, I'm not gonna try to look all cute for work. So I'm just gonna use one. This is how the hair looks. Show you the back of it. And that is it, guys. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe. If you have any other advice or any other content that you guys want to see, just go ahead and drop it down below in the comment box, and I'll try to work on it. Anything else, anything that you want to see in my videos, or just hit me up, basically, okay? Because this is like a hobby for me. I kind of like what I'm doing. I'm learning. I'm going with it, working with people. So it's actually getting a lot better. I'm actually having fun with doing YouTube now. I know I dropped off a little bit for like maybe 2 weeks. But overall, I love it. I love the natural hair journey. I love getting hair. I love reviewing it. It's fun to me at the moment. So guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Once again, please like, share, and subscribe. I see you in the next one. All right, guys. Bye.